STI Marine is proud to offer the highest quality line of marine Firestop collars for use with plastic pipes. U.S. Coast Guard approval and certification from major classification societies has led to an increase in plastic pipe use on board ships and offshore platforms. Plastic pipe penetrations through fire-rated bulkheads and decks need to be protected with systems capable of containing fire to the point of origin. STI Marine's Firestop collars meet IMO and SOLAS requirements for sealing penetrations in fire-rated divisions. Each heavy-duty device consists of a steel outer shell lined with intumescent material. When exposed to heat, the intumescent collars expand more than 60 times to choke off the path for flames, hot gases, and smoke. The 50 KSI ABS-approved steel flange is protected with marine-grade powder coating and can be attached to bulkheads or decks by welds or stainless steel self-tapping screws. STI Marine offers 3 different types of collars. The split version, Series MFC, for new installations and retrofits are offered in 21 different sizes, ranging from 16mm to 324mm. The watertight version, Series MFCW, are also offered in 21 different sizes and feature a watertight rubber grommet rated up to 6 bar. STI Marine also manufactures transitional collars used for conversions between plastic and metal pipes, such as plastic drain piping connections to metal scuppers. Unlike other devices on the market that slide down the pipe in overhead conditions, STI Marine collars are engineered to firmly grip the pipe until properly attached. When pipe vibration occurs, the robust intumescent liner protects pipes from potential damage, while other solutions with sharp metal edges make direct contact. As the maritime industry evolves towards the widespread use of plastic pipes, count on STI Marine Firestop collars to deliver the quality and performance you can trust. To save lives and protect property at sea, visit stimarine.com or call one of our local offices to learn more about our innovative line of fire-stopping products.